YouTube, coming to you live from the front of my house. Today we're just going to be doing some checks from engine oil and coolant, stuff like that. Usually I like to check the engine oil when it's cold, hasn't been run today. You can see the coolant level is right at the low level where it's supposed to be when it's cold. I'm going to check the engine oil. And it's supposed to be at that dot right there, but it's down here. But I usually don't fill until it gets down to the bottom dot because I know that it takes a liter then. Can check the transmission lube. That's got plenty of lube in there. I'm gonna come over here and check the battery. You should be able to look down here and see a green light, and that's exactly what I see. This battery is only not even a year old, and it's starting to rain on me. What's up with the rain?
Rain on me.
All right, so this car is done. Brake fluid level's up past the max. It's ready. This one's all ready to go. And then so now I'm going to work on the Tarago. These both have the same engines. It's a 2.4 liter VVTi. But this one's about 7 years older. So the coolant on this one's in here. And that's good. That's above the low level. Power steering fluid, that's up to where it's supposed to be. The brake fluid, that's at max right there. And then the engine oil on this one is right there. So it's in between the dots. That's low level, that's high level. That's fine. Transmission fluid's over here. And it's right at the top of that. That's perfect. The battery, you can look in there, it's got a green with a red dot. It says battery is okay if it's got a green and a red dot. So this looks all good. We'll shut this down. And now we're both ready to go driving in the rain.
You're so dun 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 dun.